making every ghetto foul. I might have took your first child, started your life with your style. I gave you power.
Oh, look at my cousin Jara.
Always I'm in some shit. My abdomen is the clip. The barrel's my
Go ahead, say something, Jara.
pull my skin back and cop me. I bust off when they unlock me.
Like, what in the world?
I see niggas bleeding, running from me in fear. Stunning tears fall down the eyes of these so-called tough.
We're gonna spend time with my little cousin, bumping some knives. Oh, say something to the world, Jara. Go ahead, say something.
Had a serial to face, hoping one day police will trace where it came from. Named some sort of person to claim him. Tired of murdering, made him wanna be a plain gun. But yo, I had some other plans. Like the next time the beat is on, I'll make myself jam right in my owner's hand. How you like me now? I go loud. It's that shit that moves crowds, making every ghetto foul. I might have took your first child, scarred you like a crippled your style. I gave you power, I made you pop wow. How you like me now? I go loud. It's that shit that
She is wondering what in the world is going on. Oh, I love my cousin.